Have you ever wondered how deep the Earth really is? Today, we're going on an incredible journey from the surface of our planet all the way toward its mysterious center. Let's start by digging beneath our feet. At around 350 feet underground, we reach one of the deepest metro stations in the world, located in Kyiv, Ukraine. It is so deep that passengers need multiple escalators just to reach the platform. Going deeper to about 400 feet, we find the roots of the wild fig tree in Africa. These roots can travel astonishing distances underground in search of water. At around 500 feet below the surface, we arrive at one of the world's deepest hotels, the Kola Silvermine Underground Suite in Sweden. There is no Wi-Fi, no mobile signal, and guests communicate using radio devices while enjoying the peaceful candlelit atmosphere. At around 3,000 feet underground, we arrive at Chile's famous San Jose mine. In 2010, 33 miners became trapped here for 69 days after a collapse blocked the mine's entrance. Their dramatic rescue captured the attention of the entire world. At around 500 feet below the surface, we arrive at one of the world's deepest hotels, the Kola Silvermine Underground Suite in Sweden. There is no Wi-Fi, no mobile signal, and guests communicate using radio devices while enjoying the peaceful candlelit atmosphere. At about 950 feet underground lies the Seikan Tunnel in Japan, one of the deepest railway tunnels in the world. It connects two Japanese islands and runs beneath the sea. Next, we reach the Dead Sea, located approximately 1,400 feet below sea level, making it the lowest exposed land point on Earth. Moving deeper to about 3,500 feet, we find the Bingham Canyon Mine in the United States. This massive open-pit mine is so enormous that some of the world's tallest skyscrapers could fit inside it. At approximately 8,500 feet underground lies one of the deepest known cave systems on Earth. Exploring such depths requires years of dangerous expeditions. At 10,500 feet underground, we reach the famous Kolar Gold Fields in India, often known as KGF. This historic mine inspired the blockbuster movie series that shares its name. At around 12,000 feet below the surface, scientists discovered a tiny organism known as the devil worm. Amazingly, this creature survives in extreme underground conditions where almost no other life exists. Going even deeper to more than 13,000 feet, we arrive at the Mponeng Gold Mine in South Africa, the deepest active mine on Earth. Temperatures here can exceed 60 degrees Celsius, creating extremely challenging conditions for miners. Now let's leave the mines behind and enter the ocean. At approximately 35,800 feet below sea level lies Challenger Deep, the deepest known point in Earth's oceans. Located in the Mariana Trench, this place is so deep that if Mount Everest were placed upside down inside it, there would still be room to spare. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends down to roughly 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is made of hot rock that slowly flows over millions of years. Temperatures here range from around 1,500 to 3,000 degrees Celsius. Below the mantle lies the outer core. This layer is composed mainly of molten iron and nickel. Temperatures can reach between 3,500 and 5,000 degrees Celsius. The movement of these molten metals generates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Finally, at the very center of our planet, we reach the inner core. Despite temperatures reaching nearly 6,000 degrees Celsius, similar to the surface of the Sun, the immense pressure keeps it solid. The inner core is primarily made of iron and nickel. From this deep interior, many valuable metals eventually make their way toward the surface through volcanic activity and tectonic movements. These include iron, copper, gold, silver, nickel, and many other resources that humans use every day. From this deep interior, many valuable metals eventually make their way toward the surface through volcanic activity and tectonic movements. These include iron, copper, gold, silver, nickel, and many other resources that humans use every day. The Earth remains one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Even after centuries of exploration, we've barely scratched the surface of our incredible planet. The Earth remains one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Even after centuries of exploration, we've barely scratched the surface of our incredible planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing journeys into science